The Associate Cloud Engineer Certification exam is based on the exam guide. In the following modules, you'll take diagnostic questions to assess your knowledge of each section of the exam guide. The exam guide is divided into 5 sections. Each section has several objectives. We'll focus on where you can find resources at the section objective level. You can find the exam guide on the certification page at the URL shown on the screen. Throughout this course, you'll be pointed to specific resources and documentation that can help you fill the gaps you identify through the diagnostic questions. Let's go over the types of resources you may want to include in your study plan. Google provides resources to help you develop your skills and experience with Google Cloud solutions. The learning path for this certification includes in-person or online courses, online practice labs and quests, and practice questions. The courses recommended for the Associate Cloud Engineer certification include Google Cloud Fundamentals Core Infrastructure, Architecting with Google Compute Engine, and Getting Started with Google Kubernetes Engine. You'll learn more about how these courses relate to the sections of the exam guide as you complete the modules in this course. It's important to note that you can take these as instructor-led courses or as on-demand courses on Coursera, Pluralsight, or Google's Cloud Skills Boost. The on-demand content included in Architecting with Google Compute Engine is presented over 3 courses: Essential Google Cloud Infrastructure Foundation, Essential Google Cloud Infrastructure Core Services, and Elastic Google Cloud Infrastructure Scaling and Automation. The skills badges provide hands-on experience working in Google Cloud. They consist of a series of related labs followed by a challenge lab to complete the quest, and are available on Cloud Skills Boost. As we review the diagnostic questions in this course, you'll also get recommendations for skill badges to include in your study plan. Sample questions are another resource you can use to prepare. The diagnostic questions in this course are designed to help you identify your knowledge gaps. On the certification page, Google provides a different set of sample questions that can help you familiarize yourself with the format of the exam questions. Once you complete the question set, you will receive feedback describing the rationale for the correct answers. The sample questions provide a good opportunity to practice taking the type of scenario-based, application-level questions on the exam. The exam questions present you with a scenario, explain the goal or what you are trying to achieve, and ask you what you would do in this situation. Remember these tips for multiple-choice questions. Read the question stem carefully. Make sure you understand exactly what the question is asking. Try to anticipate the correct answer before looking at the options. You should be able to come up with the correct answer just from reading the question stem. You may find that more than one answer may be possible on multiple-choice tests. Take questions at face value. If certain details are omitted, then they are unlikely to contribute to the selection of the best answer. Pay attention to qualifiers such as usually, all, never, none, and keywords like the best, the least, and except. Google also supplies official public documentation for its products and services. This documentation can be found at the URL shown on the screen. In each of the following modules, you'll learn about specific documentation resources to help you study that section in preparation for the exam.